If you haven't seen my latest vlog yet, I actually flew from LA to Anchorage, Alaska, all for under $15. Let me show you how I pulled that off. It was all thanks to this guy, the Alaska Airlines Visa credit card. Now, I've had this card for almost 2 years now, and being based on the West Coast, I've flown multiple times with Alaska Airlines. It may seem like a lot with a $75 annual fee just to hold this card, but this card provides numerous benefits that make up for it. Currently, there's a sign-up bonus of $100 in statement credit, 40,000 miles, and an annual companion fare where you'll be able to book another traveler's flight on the same trip for only $121. Now you get all of this if you spend $2,000 within a 90-day time frame from when you are approved for this card. On top of that, you're allowed one free check-in bag on Alaska Airline flights, which save you a total of $50 round trip, and you're eligible to earn miles with this card on everyday purchases. So how did I do it? To give you perspective, my flight from LA to Anchorage cost 40,000 miles and $11. So simply by signing up for this credit card and meeting the sign-up bonus requirements, I was able to go on my trip. If you want to see what kinds of things I did out in Alaska, check out my recent vlog link below. Let me show you how to book a flight with your Alaska miles. Here are some other travel destinations if you'd rather go somewhere else. Let's go from LAX, Los Angeles, to Seattle Airport. For only 25,000 miles and $11.20, you can get to Seattle. Now what about LAX, Los Angeles? To Honolulu, Hawaii. There's a flight there for 30,000 miles and $6, and a flight back for 30,000 miles and $6 as well. For a total of 60,000 miles and $11.20, you can get to Hawaii. Now, while traveling is something that I'm sure everyone would love to do, this card is not for everyone. First off, this is a credit card, so a few precautions. Number one, you do need to be approved. And to be approved for this credit card, you need a credit score of roughly 670. Number two, you should naturally meet the sign-up spending bonus, $2,000 within a 3-month time frame. If you can't naturally meet that and you're required to spend more, this credit card's probably not worth it. Number three, you should be able to pay off your credit card, so please make sure your finances are in check because the last thing you want is your credit to tank. And lastly, Alaska Airlines does fly out of the West Coast, so if you're not based in the West Coast, you'd probably want to consider a different airline. Now, if you are interested in applying for this credit card and you want to help me acquire some miles for my future travel so that I can keep vlogging for you guys, please shoot us a DM on our Instagram, Traveling with Miles, and I will send you a referral link so that you can sign up. Hope you guys got a lot out of this, and I can't wait to see what kind of trips this card takes you on.